Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 3 Maxx Sport sedan, stock reference number 4114. This shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right-hand side. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left sill skirt. Left door has one small dent. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right boot lid garnish, right tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right hand sill skirt, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.